are a generation that just wants to have everything quickly and directly online. All you really need is an idea, and suddenly you have a finished motorcycle right here. My name is Viktor Sommer. I am the CEO and also the founder of Tea Motorbikes. We thought about how we could manufacture as affordably as possible in Germany, because our motorcycle has a lot of different components and various manufacturing processes. It would take us a lot of time to find one or more suppliers who are a good fit for us and with whom we are satisfied. Welding here in Germany is relatively expensive. Using sheet metal that you basically fold and then rivet together with an electric rivet gun is very fast during assembly, and it also saves us money. Xometry was cheaper than other providers. We upload all the components. You can see exactly how much they cost, what you can do with them, and how you can further process them. And while the quote is being prepared, we can focus on our own tasks. If everything fits, then we place the order. And another advantage is that with Xometry, we only pay for the components piece by piece. In other words, we ordered about 100 motorcycles for the whole year and call off 20 units at a time, every 2 months. We also always have a payment term of 30 days. As a startup, that's just ideal for our cash flow. So, this here is my favorite component from Xometry. On the one hand, because it's very large, but on the other hand, because it's very complicated. It's responsible both for the design, as you can see here, and for the stability of the frame. And this component has to be bent at a very precise angle many times so that, in the end, the frame really fits together. So that these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bends follow one after another and all line up perfectly here. No matter how complicated it is, painted, perfectly bent, ordered online, and that's why it makes me so happy. Some people also call the bike's design a cafe racer. Back in the day, it was a racer used to ride to the cafe. And I've always had this love for retro bikes, and my idea was, if I make a sustainable version of it, an electric racer, then it's basically not a cafe, but a black tea, because I also like drinking black tea. But theoretically, you could even do wheelies on these things. What also makes us special is that, with a very small team, we've always managed to achieve a really high output. We were never more than 3 full-time employees. We're simple and straightforward, and, we've been community-driven since day one. We have customers who sometimes even stop by and help us with the production of the motorcycles.